your hands and you know you'll be flying. Don't fly longer, you finally caught me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the video where I actually fly the DJI drone. If you haven't watched the old video, go back and go and watch the old video. Subscribe, like my video as well. But I'm about to fly the DJI 4K mini where I showed you guys the other time. And this is how it goes. We're about to take off. Okay, so now it's flying and bro, I'm really anxious right now to fly this drone. I've actually got a couple of videos to fly the drone and I can actually fly the drone though. Energy, confidence. You see how I'm operating it. I was actually meant to be a pilot. But anyways, let's try take some videos. Look how better is looking here right now. So yo, I'm about to take off. And just like that, we start flying. You see how I'm controlling it right now? And this is just down here. And this is the whole of Soto. Go higher a bit. Go higher. This is the whole of Soto. This be hard, I swear. This be hard. Yo. This be hard. Okay, so see. Can anyone guess the name of this junction? If you can guess the name of this junction here right now, you'll get something from me. So put in the comment section the name of this junction. Anyone who knows the name of this junction, Asoto, you get a surprise from me. Don't worry. So I'm just taking sceneries right now. I think this video is okay. Scenery. Check scenery. Yo, the thing go. Yo, show them. Bro, I didn't even think too much about this. Oh, the thing go, Papa. Bro, it's so up in the sky. So EJ, I know. Do you think it's okay? Yeah, let me come in. So it's on cinematic now, so I can take the videos slow. Series. Yeah. They can make her go up small a bit. Be like another girl landscape. Bro, I'm happy for you, bro. So this is the whole of Soto. I'm trying to go to different side. Oh, make her come. No, is it too high? Too high? You're asking me for too high. Bring it back now, let's see one high. Whoa, what the fuck? See? Yo, see where the drone goes. See where the drone goes. The whole time the whole time I thought I was changing the like this. That one the drone will be at just one place, but say me they come baby yo. So landing the drone, you can actually let me stop the video here. So I can actually gauge the right place, or I can actually land it myself. So I can actually put it on auto land. And the drone will come down by itself. In let's say about 10 seconds, the drone should land. That was fire. That was really mad. So like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend that the next is about to blow your mind on YouTube. All right.
ปั่นมาในใจครับ
Swing your hands and you know you be fine. Dance along and you